As previously mentioned, something that we often observe with stocks or SPY in particular is that once they reach new high ground for whatever reason, especially if they hold it for a while, they then usually cool to somewhere around halfway between where they were and where they are. That's exactly where SPY is pretty much at now. Today it was mostly volatile. There's been a lot of days lately where stocks are either flat or volatile because they continue to be at a pressure point, just waiting for a reason to go up or down. With the recent CPI data not being as good, and with them now revising previous CPI data to show inflation has not been quite as good as what they've been reporting, things may be cooling more rapidly than they would have otherwise. For example, if PayPal dips anymore, it's about to be back to its bottom entirely. Because of this, though, I've been starting to buy call options of stocks like AMD, PayPal, Chewy, that I think shorter term should turn back around at least a little bit. I was just buying put options of stocks that are really cheap, like Palantir and Sophie. As my previous video mentioned, it's really easy to get good strike price contracts for dirt cheap that can make you a fortune. If things keep going down, I'll continue selling those puts and I'll keep buying more calls. I'm also buying more of my long-term calls. Jumia and Tilray are good examples of cheap ones, especially if you are diversifying for safety. Those kind of stocks crash the most in a bear market and then recover the most in a bull market. Fubo is the same way. Fubo just the other day, some of these calls ran 300% and then cooled back to where they were. So I bought even more this time. So next time there's a rally and they're up 300%, I can sell half and keep holding half.